If you want to remove Facebook pixel from Shopify, then here's what you're going to do. It is a very easy process, so just follow all of these steps from the very beginning. So as you can see, I already have my Facebook and Instagram app right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to settings from the left side panel, just scroll down at the very bottom and then click on settings. Now from here, we're going to head over to apps and sales channels. Now we can find the Facebook and Instagram app right here under the installed apps. Now after that, we're just going to hit on the three dots at the or beside it, and then after that we're going to click on uninstall. Now this window is going to come up. It's going to make sure that we understand that removing the Facebook pixel, we have to make sure that we have already fulfilled all orders from Facebook and Instagram and process any returns or refunds, because if we delete the Facebook and Instagram channel, we won't be able to publish products, fulfill orders, or measure performance anymore. Now just make sure that you click on this I understand the risk of uninstalling this sales channel, and you have these reason for uninstalling. Although this is optional, this can help optimize Shopify more, so I'm going to fill this out. So I'm going to click on not using this app now, and then we can also share any feedback privately with the app developer. Now after that, we're going to hit on uninstall, and Facebook will be uninstalled from your website. And that's it. That is how you're going to remove Facebook pixel from Shopify. I recently created a 1 hour long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.